monsters by the door, and it makes you feel stuck inside a wheel. Slowly